Ever wondered if your resume piles can become searchable in seconds? In the age of AI, anything is possible, buddy. Let's see how you can parse resumes with BizHire's AI and structure candidate data instantly. Start by tapping the Candidate section. To add a single candidate, tap the green Create Candidate button. This is where the process begins. Upload the resume. BizHire supports PDF, doc, and JPG formats. You can also add a cover letter. Select the resume source. Choose the application date. Enter expected salary and current CTC. Hiring is almost incomplete without a legit resume after all. Now move to applicant information. Here's the best part. BizHire automatically extracts key candidate details from your uploaded resume. Yep, all filled up. Though if you still need to edit or modify, you can do that manually. Fields marked with red asterisks are necessary to be logged to proceed for the next step. This step is for extra insights. You can add talent's website or LinkedIn profile links based on your hiring workflow requirements. Next step leads you to adding custom questions for the candidate. Once done, click Submit. Your structured candidate profile is now ready. Remember, if a candidate's email already exists in your database, BizHire will not create a duplicate entry to avoid any errors in your talent pool. Now wondering, what if I'm hiring for multiple roles? No problem. Use the Upload Multiple Resumes option. You can assign the same candidate to multiple job postings, upload multiple resumes at once, parse resumes in bulk. BizHire's AI processes each resume and converts it into clean, structured data, ready for screening and shortlisting. That's how BizHire turns unstructured resumes into searchable candidate data in seconds. For more walkthroughs and a closer look at AI-powered hiring features, stay tuned and visit www.bizworkhq.com.